birthday, Elijah. Happy 8th birthday. Woo! We are so proud of you, puppy. We wanted to give you something special because, you know, you've been working really hard, and we wanted to give you something big because we're just very proud of you, puppy. Me and Daddy decided to wear your shirts from your first birthday party, your big birthday party. Now this is your next big party, and we just wanted to say we love you and we hope you enjoy your day because we put a lot of effort in it and we wanted to make it special just for you. We love you.
My turn now.
Yes, it is.
Elijah, we wanted to wish you the happiest 8th birthday, and I hope that you remember this day for the rest of your life. Also want to tell you that we are very proud of you. Like Mommy said, it amazes me how funny, how smart, how caring you are with Mommy, Alexa, and myself. And remember to always keep God first. He made only one Elijah. So continue being the loving, the caring person, the always wanting to help kid that you already are. You know, you are a leader. God has called you to be a leader, and continue to be doing that and more. We love you with all our heart. Happy 8th birthday, and go out and celebrate with your friends because they're here for you. They're here to celebrate you and your birthday.
Yes, your big day.
Your big day. Love you.
Love you. Happy birthday.
You're the sunflower. I think your love would be too much, or you'll be left in the dust unless I stuck by you. You're the sunflower. You're the sunflower.
Elijah, it's your special day. You're turning 8 years old. Ooh. I just wanted to wish you happy birthday, and I hope you have an amazing day today. And because I know Mommy and Daddy, they worked really hard to make this day special for you and fun for you. And I know that me and you, we argue and we fight sometimes, but you truly mean the world to me. You're the best little brother anyone can ask for. And I don't know what I would do without you. You are like my favorite person on the whole planet. So I just wanted to wish you a happy birthday, and I love you so much. And yeah, happy birthday.
Baby, just wanted to say happy birthday. I hope you have an amazing day, and may God bless you with many more to come. Love you, baby.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Elijah. Happy birthday to you. Hey, Hanemuela, love you.
Love you.
All right, hope you miss you. Hope you have a great birthday. All right, see you soon. Mwah.
Happy birthday. Merci.
Happy birthday, Elijah. We love you.
Elijah. We love you.
Hey, puppy. I just want to wish you a happy birthday. I love you. I hope you enjoy it.
Hey, Elijah. It's just me and Nelly. We want to wish you a very happy birthday. We're sorry that we can't be there with you, but we'll definitely make it up to you one day. Wishing you everything but the best. Have a happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Elijah. Happy birthday to you. Titi loves you and miss you.
Happy birthday, Elijah. It's your long lost Titi, Jasmine. I love you so much and I miss you. I hope to see you really soon. I made a little video for you, so I hope you like it. It's from when you were a little baby, just a little baby. I love you so much and I hope you enjoy your day. Bye. Te amo. Te amo. I love you.
I love you. Mac and cheese.
Do that face.
Mac and cheese.
Do the face.
Mac and cheese.
You ready?
Is it heavy? It's heavy? Heavy? You got it? You're strong, right? Strong? Ah! Not beso. Mwah. Elijah! Oh my god! Again? No, beso. No, a mí. Ah.
Happy birthday, Elijah. We're here to celebrate you for your birthday, and we appreciate you. We love you, and keep up the good work.
All right. Happy 8th birthday. Have a blessed day. We love you.
2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Mac and cheese. Go, 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 go. Happy birthday! We love you.
Sorry we couldn't be there.
Sorry we couldn't be there, but you already know we love you, and we'll make it up to you when we get back, okay?
Yep. Have a good time.
Bye.
Have fun.
Happy birthday, Elijah. I think you're 8 now. Oh yeah, you're big and old. You old for real. Love you.
Happy birthday, Poppy. Love you. Have a good day. Enjoy your birthday.
Hello, Elisha. Happy birthday. Mama, love you. My baby.
Happy birthday, baby. I hope you're having a great time. We love you. Mwah.
Feliz cumpleaños, papi. Pórtate bien, que cumpla muchos años más y duro con el bate.
Bye.
It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos.
Guys, today's Elijah's birthday.
Happy birthday, Elijah. Elijah, we love you. Happy birthday. Hope you enjoy your special day. Everyone's proud of you. Your parents, we're proud of you. Keep doing a great job at everything that you're doing. We wish you the best. Sorry we couldn't be there, but we love you, and we hope you enjoy your special day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Elijah. We love you.
Mr. MVP of the day, Elijah. Happy birthday, nephew. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, my boy. It's Theo Tech, man. It's Uncle Tech. Sending the video to wish you a happy birthday. And I want to let you know how special you are to me. You know I love you very much. And I hope you have a very, very happy birthday. You are an incredible kid. Keep being yourself. And keep doing great things. Keep being who you are. Okay? You're a great kid. You're a great guy. And I love you. Happy birthday.
What's up, Elijah? I'm out here in California, having some fun, doing absolutely nothing. Oh, I got stuff on my face. I wish you happy birthday. Have a great week. Have a good birthday. Enjoy your baseball games. Get some home runs from me, and shoot some threes. Love you, Elijah. Be safe.
Happy birthday, Elijah.
Happy birthday, Elijah. I hope you have a great day.
Happy birthday, Elijah.
Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday.
Love you.
Big boy.
Happy birthday, nephew. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, yeah, my man. We love you. We love you.
Happy birthday, Elijah. Hope you have fun at your birthday party.
We wish you more.
We love you.
We love you, puppy. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Elijah, my man.
I just wanted to wish you a happy birthday. I hope you have an amazing and wonderful day. I love you. Happy birthday, boy.
Hey Elijah, just wanted to wish you a happy birthday. We're real proud of everything you're doing over there. Keep up the great work. Make sure you continue to do everything you're doing because you deserve everything you got. Happy birthday, bud. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday.
Have a good one, buddy. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Elijah. I hope you have a good birthday.
Happy birthday, Elijah. I love you.
Happy birthday, Elijah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Elijah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. I hope you have a good time with mommy and daddy. And have fun. Love you guys. Happy birthday, Elijah. From Theo J.
Sissy. Sissy.
Push a button.
Do you want to push it?
I'm pushing.
Ask mommy. Say, mommy, can I push the button?
I'm pushing, Mom.
Ask mommy. Say, mommy,
I'm pushing, Mommy.
please.
Please.
Okay.
Okay. Push it.
Push it.
Daddy.
Hmm?
Average GameTruck parties are a virus, but gamer versus gamer is the cure.
Happy birthday.
Gamer versus gamer.